Good everybody, it's Matt here, and today I have got the Amazon Alexa Echo Pop. According to the side of the packaging here, this is your smart speaker with Alexa, voice control, any room, hands-free with a crisp, full sound smart speaker. Ask Alexa to play music, dim lights, set alarms, and more. Designed with multiple layers of privacy, including a microphone on-off button. On the back of the box, we have a few examples of Alexa voice commands. On this side of the box says that it has Bluetooth, hands-free with Alexa, microphone on-off button, and in-app privacy controls. And it says in the box we should have the Echo Pop power adapter, and that it's a simple setup that requires Wi-Fi and the Amazon Alexa app. As you might have guessed from the front of the box, I have got the black version. And while I knew from the specs that these guys were going to be pretty small, I'll admit this box is smaller than I expected, which means that the Echo Pop is going to be even smaller than I expected too, so that's pretty awesome. So let's open this one up and have a closer look at it. Amazon has put a easy to use pull tab on the top for opening that. So that lifts and comes off really easily. Got a little diagram on the inside of the box here up the top saying download Alexa, plug in the Echo Pop, and then in here is the Echo Pop. Basically the entire contents of the box. So that's it. It really is not very big at all. And below there in the box we do also have our wall transformer and our Hello Quick Start Guide. So that is everything that comes in the box with the Echo Pop. Just the speaker itself, your transformer, and your quick start guide. So we have a closer look at the Echo Pop. We've got the speaker cover on the front, which is just a mesh. It is hard there. We have our light bar along the top. We've got a volume up and down button, and then the mic off button in the center. We also have these three little holes in the top, which I assume are our microphones. And then over here on the back, we have our power input. And that's basically it. According to the specs, this is less than 10 centimeters in every direction. And I'd say it's about right. Like that really is only 9.9 centimeters or about 3 7/8 of an inch. Like very, very small. Tiny little footprint. This one only weighs 196 grams. So it's really very light. And it does support dual band Wi-Fi on 802.11a, BG, N, and AC networks at both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. But it doesn't support ad hoc Wi-Fi connections. In terms of connectivity, besides Wi-Fi, it also supports the Bluetooth low energy mesh. And it does support the Matter protocol as a Matter controller. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Next up, I'm going to set this one up and give it a try out. For more information and pricing on these Echo Pops, make sure to check out the affiliate links that are down in the description. And of course, give this video the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get notified when that one comes out. Bye for now.